25-year-old Phil-Am swimmer Jared Hatch, ang ating pambato sa men's swimming sa 2024 Olympics sa Paris, France. Ipinanganak si Jared sa San Francisco, California. Kwento ng atleta, hindi naman daw talaga swimming ang unang hilig niya. Tila, nagpain lang daw sa kanya ng video games ang kanyang mommy noong kabataan niya.
We went to an area with a swim team and my mom wanted me to try it, and she offered me to buy me video games if I were to just try it out for like 2 months or something.
Pero sa murang edad, alam ni Jared na kailangan niyang seryosohin ang swimming upang makakuha ng scholarship at maituloy ang pag-aaral sa kolehiyo.
I think it was my best option to get my education. I graduated from Berkeley in 2021. And I got a scholarship over there, so I was able to get my degree. I'm the first person in my family to go to college and get my college degree.
Ang akala niyang susi lang para sa kolehiyo, napamahal na rin talaga sa kanya. Pero aminado siyang huminto rin noon sa swimming dahil sa mental health problems.
But you put in the work, you work so hard, and I never really took time to figure out who I was outside of swimming. When I got my degree in 2021, I thought I was done forever.
Pero hindi nga doon nagtapos ang swimming career ni Jared. Naituloy niya ito hanggang pag-uwi sa Pilipinas. Siya kasi at si Kayla Sanchez ang nanominate para punuan ang kota ng Pilipinas sa Olympics under the universality rule.
I got a call from Lonnie Velasco to come back for Paris, and I agreed to it. But as a kid, you just kind of shoot for the stars. You just kind of, I want this, like the craziest goal. And when I started swimming, I was like, I want to go to the Olympics.
Bagamat malaking pagsubok ang pagpasok sa Olympics, hindi raw siya nagpakain sa stress at naniwalang kakayanin niya basta't masaya siya sa kanyang ginagawa.
With this kind of level of competition, it can be stressful. It can really break you. Yeah. I think a big emphasis is just trying to focus on having fun and just remembering
have fun.
The feeling as like a kid,
As for his plans after the Olympics,
I'm just taking it day by day. Especially after this year, it's a lot of sacrifices, a lot of energy.
Tulad ni Jared, let's take it day by day. I-enjoy ang ngayon and everything else will follow. Mobile Journal Denise Valdesancho po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.
Pag-usapan pa natin ang kwento ni Phil-Am Olympic swimmer na si Jared Hatch. Kasama si Mobile Journal Denise Valdesancho. Nakwento ba ni Jared sa'yo, Denise, kung talagang mahilig siya sa swimming o napilitan lamang dahil sa kanyang nanay?
Yun nga, Pops J. Ang first love ni Jared, it was karate and baseball.
Martial arts.
At the age of 10, he was really an athletic kid, Pops J. And then, yung mom niya, she was the one of the people who pushed Jared.
Kinulit-kulit, mag-swimming ka.
Try kang mag-swimming, mag-try out. Meron tayong swimming team, mag-try out ka. And then at first, kinailangan pa na ayain ng mom ni Jared siya in a way na, okay, bibigyan kita ng video games and you try out.
May incentive.
May incentive, Pops Jen, and you try out.
May bribery pa nangyari.
Kinailangan at first nga parang...
Pero dinibdib naman niya. Sineryoso niya
niya. Pero at first, he dreaded the sport, Pops J, kasi parang nagkaroon siya ng asthma attack. And then parang medyo, ayaw niya sa sport. And then, pinush siya ng mom niya. There were video games, and then he fell in love with the sport.
Nabanggit mo, ang kanya talagang gusto ay karate at baseball. Yun ang hilig niya.
Yes, Pops J.
Okay. Pero, paano, wala ba siyang balak noon na maging pro dito sa mga sports na to?
Ang tinuloy-tuloy niya na kasi, Pops J, was swimming. So, around 12, naging competitive. Around 12, nung tinuloy-tuloy niya na yun, yung pagiging swimmer, and then doon na siya naging pro talaga sa swimming.
So never siyang tumapak doon sa karate para maging pro, no?
He dropped baseball and karate, Pops J.
Okay, nabanggit mo rin yung universality rule, kaya napasok si Jared, no? Paano ito na-apply sa kanya?
Basically, universality rule, Pops J, ina-apply yon kapag yung mga committee, they handpick athletes based on credentials para mas maging diverse yung mga participating nations on a certain sport. So, for swimming, Jared was handpicked by a committee based on his credentials. So, we have a representative under swimming, Pops J. So, ang ganda kasi ng credentials ni Jared, Pops J. No? Siya ang Philippine holder ng record for the fastest swimmer when it comes to the 50 meter na swimming and as well as a 100-meter swimming, Pops J.
Nasaan na si Jarrod? Nasa Paris na ba?
Sa ngayon, Pops J, no, napaka-recent lang nung naging usapan namin. Nasa US siya ngayon.
US.
Yes,
Okay.
so he will be training there and then...
Gaano katagal siya magta-training sa US?
He's gonna stay there tapos around July 24, Pops J, no, pupunta na siya for Paris for the Olympics and yon busy rin siya doon, syempre Pops J, training. So when it comes to training, 6 days a week ang training ni
Medyo
Jarrod.
hectic, no?
Hectic. So tinanong ko, kamusta? Anong specifics? Anong ginagawa mo within that week? So for Monday, he does aerobics, mostly aerobics, no, Pops J. And then meron ding heavy days, he's sprinting,
weightlifting
meron
siguro.
ding weightlifting, Pops J. And then tinanong ko, okay, so Monday to Saturday, napaka-hectic ng schedule mo, napaka-busy. So, meron kang rest day for sure. Meron naman daw. So, for Sundays, mostly all he does, natutulog lang daw siya. Or other hobbies niya, Pops J.
At this point, no, at this stage sa career niya, no, bilang atleta na lalaban sa Paris Olympics, meron ba siyang tinitingala na local swimmer, na Filipino swimmer? O familiar ba siya dito sa scene?
Actually, wala siya nabanggit.
Wala siya nabanggit. What about
Pops
yung
J?
foreign swimmer? Wala siya.
Wala rin siyang nabanggit.
Talagang,
Hindi namin napag-usapan, sayang, Pops J.
Talagang sariling, niya, no?
Yun,
pagpupursige.
Ang when it comes to
Baka
mentor,
yung coach niya, yun ang kanyang...
his dad,
yung dad
Pops
niya.
J, oo.
Hindi naman Olympic swimmer ang kanyang ama.
Hindi. Ang nakakatuwa doon, Pops J, sabi niya sa akin sa interview, sana may mga tinitrain siya and kakilala siya na younger Filipino athletes na sana daw nung bata siya, meron siyang mentor na katulad niya ngayon. And the mentor that he had, yun, his idol, kung sasabihin na natin, was his dad. So, yung dad niya athlete din. Parents niya, both are athletes, pero hindi yung competitive na athlete, no, Pops J. So, his dad participates sa decathlon. So, yung dad niya has always been the one who always pushed him and supported him when it comes to swimming alongside his mom.
Yung DNA pala ng pagiging competitive, no? Yung competitive spirit galing mismo sa pudo, sa ama at ina. Okay, maraming salamat, Mobile Journal Denise Valdesancho.